Hello, and thanks for registering with BioLinkBuilder. Today I'm going to give a quick tutorial on the functionality of BioLinkBuilder. But before I do that, I'd like to just give a quick overview of what the program's all about for those that haven't registered. So if you've ever tried to create a TikTok or an Instagram profile, you'll quickly realize that in your bio, you're only allowed to have one link. Now this can be a problem if you wish to send your fans to perhaps different areas. If you would like to send them perhaps to a social media like Facebook or YouTube, or if you have affiliate links for different products, having just one link in your bio can be a real limiting factor as to how you can interact with your fans. So with BioLinkBuilder, what you can do from that one link is create multiple links. For instance, you can have avatars, you can have text in bigger or smaller fonts, you can have links, you can have many links. They can be animated and they can have different colors, different font sizes. You can have images, you could have small forms where a customer might be able to fill in their name and email address that would be sent to your autoresponder. And if you wanted to perhaps offer an ebook or some other download. Another nice feature is that you can have and create shortened links. Anybody that's done affiliate marketing knows those links can be quite long and look not very inviting, but with shortened links you can create much more manageable links, and they also are tracked by the statistics. You can create QR codes, what the information that you put in with from your V card or whatever other data that you might want to include. And also, again, all of this is going to be tracked day by day. You'll know who your referrers are, where they're coming from, what operating systems, and other things. So there's a lot of functionality in BioLinkBuilder, and I think you'll find when we go through the tutorial that it's quite a complete program. So I've created a free account here, so let's just take a quick look at that. So here's your dashboard. This already gives you an overview of what you've got going on, the number of links that you've got, the number of projects. But the one thing that's quite nice is that you may have a TikTok account and an Instagram account, and you might want to send those people off into different directions depending on what platform they are on. So the nice thing is that we can create projects in order to do that, in order to keep your data and your links in their own folder, so to speak. So let's go here and we'll create a project called TikTok, and you can see that's been created. But let's do another one here. We'll call this one Instagram and go create. So now you've got two projects going, and here you can see you can view your shortened links. You've got your BioLink pages, you've got data. If you're collecting data in a form for emails and names and that sort of thing, that's where that data would be stored, and you've got your QR codes. But let's go ahead and create a BioLink page. And here we go, and we just say create link and BioLink page. And here's where you would add in, say, your TikTok. And here you go. So now this is what the user would see on their phone, and you can change the background colors accordingly, and also some of the functionality behind it, branding and the font size and things like that, depending on the type of plan that you have, will give you more functionality. But let's go in and add a block here. Let's say add an image. I'll browse for an image, and here's one here. We'll just slap that in there. And also, if there's a destination URL, say if the person does click on that image, then they're going to go just send them here to Google, just for something to put in here. And here you can see the image. So now if they click on that, obviously they're going to go over to Google. So let's add another block. Let's say here, let's do a link. Now obviously this would be your affiliate link. And you can have, again, a number of different affiliate links or links to wherever you would like to send them. So let's just do Google for simplicity's sake here, and submit. And here you go, and there's the link, and you can see we can just keep adding and adding. And you can also, let's just go edit here, You can have them, if they do click on that link, you can have it open up in a new tab. You can have a different background for the button. You can have border widths. We'll just say here add a bit of border. We'll add border color, and you can see it's starting to change here. You can have different types of corners. You can do animation as well. Let's say here just for fun, and if you hit update, and then you'll see it. That's how it would be animated. There's a number of different animations that you can do to make it more attractive or draw the eye to it. So let's add another block here. You can see here, we'll just pretend that this would be another affiliate link or another link that you would want to send somebody to. And I'm just going to use Google here again, just for simplicity's sake. So we'll say submit, and you can see we're building out more and more links. Let's try something else. Let's do a mail sign up. Let's say here sign up for ebook. Say submit, and now you can see the button here. So if we go into edit, you can see here we've got the click on the form settings. You've got the different elements that you'd get the customer to fill in: their email address, their name. You have a thank you URL. Once they do complete the form, you can have it bounce to a URL where they would either download an ebook or some other document or whatever have you for filling in the form. You can also have data collection here. If you have an account with MailChimp autoresponder, you can put their API key in here and your list name, and you can obviously add the people that sign up on through your link. You'd be able to capture them in your autoresponder and send out newsletters and different things to them from there. So let's see here. That's kind of it for this. You can kind of get the idea that all the different types of blocks that you can add. Again, some of them, the functionality will change depending on what plan you've got, what things you can and cannot do, but that will just be dependent on the type of plan that there is. So let's go back to the plans here. Where'd it go? Sorry, projects. And you can see now here's we can look at the shortened URL. So we can also create a URL. Let's say you're on your TikTok. If you wanted to send somebody and keep them organized, you can create a shortened link that is tied to your TikTok project. So you can say, let's just use Google as an example here. So the long URL, and that's very long, but you get the idea. And we'll just type in, Google here and see what happens. Oh, I guess I've used that in the past, so let's just try yahoo.com and Yahoo. And we'll shorten the URL. And here you go. And there's the shortened URL that you would use instead of the long affiliate link that you might have. And again, there would be statistics that's tied in behind it. Now, right now we don't have any statistics as we just created this thing, but if you did have it running for some time, then you'd be able to see who's clicked on it and where they came from, the type of browser, the type of device that they were using, and all those sort of features. So let's just go back to projects here. So now you can see how you can keep these things quite organized, and you can also have the ability to view your stats and things. Where did my stats go? So we've got, did I already show that one to you? Where did it go here? Links. Yeah, here's links. So in your links, you can have your statistics. So here's your stats for your profile link, but again, we don't have any stats because we just created this. So that kind of gives you a brief overview of the program and how you can use it. I'm going to be making more tutorials that go into a little bit more depth in the short term, but this is kind of just wanting to get you up and running and be able to use the program right away. So hopefully you found that interesting. If you have any issues or problems, you can reach out at support at biolinkbuilder.com, and we'll address him right away. But anyhow, that's it for now, and take care. Bye-bye.